Hello students, I hope you all are well and safe. Students, as we completed the chapter 1 shapes, in that we also completed the concept 1.1, that is vertices and diagonals of two-dimensional figure. In this chapter let us recall the points that we discussed in this chapter. First one, what is the two-dimensional figure? Second, identifying the sides, vertices and diagonals. Third, what is three-dimensional figure and their feature. Fourth, identifying the vertices, faces and edges. Now, today we will start the workbook part of chapter 1, shapes. So students, let us start. That is, here you can see the recall part. In that, multiple choice question is there. Now let us see the first question. The shape of coin 1 is a. Here options are given. Option A, circle, B, square, C, rectangle, D, triangle. Students, you can see that the coin is in the round shape. So what is the correct answer? Yes, very good. It is circle. Now, second, a triangle is a dash figure. Here you can see the triangle. Okay. Now, can you tell me, is it the closed figure? Yes. It is the 2D figure? Yes. It is an open figure? No. So students, let us see the option. A, 2D figure. B, closed. C, both A and B. And D, open. So which one is the correct answer? Very good. That is the option C, both A and B. Now see the third question. The shape of, here one object is given is a. So you have to find out this object is look like in which shape. Here options are A, square, B, rectangle, C, triangle and D, circle. So which one is the correct answer? Very good students. That is. Now let us see the another one. Here, remember and understanding. In that, again the multiple choice questions is there. So let us move to the question number 4. The point where at least two sides of figure meet is called. Here it is asking about the point where two sides are meet. So let us consider a square box. Here you can see the arrow, that is the point. Okay, that is the point where this is the sides, this is the lines of the sides. So the point where these two sides are joined with this point. So can you tell me what do you call that point? Yes, we call that point vertex. What? Vertex. Now let us start the fifth one. A straight line that joins the opposite vertices of a closed figure. Okay, it is asking about a closed figure that their opposite vertices are meet. So let us consider one closed figure. Okay, second. So here you can see the opposite vertices are joined with the straight line. So what do you call this? Yes, we can call the diagonal. That is option B. Now move to another question. Question number 6. The diagonals in here figure are given. So we have to tell the diagonal name. Here options are given. AB, and BC. Option B, AD and CB. Option C, AC and BD. Option D, AB and BC. Here you can see the diagonal A is joined to C, that is AC, and B is joined to D, that is BD. So which one is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is C, that is AC and BD. Now move to the fill in the blanks. A triangle has dash diagonal. You can see here, you can see the triangle. Now can you tell me, is triangle having the diagonals? Is any vertices can meet to another vertices? No. So the answer is no. Now a circle has vertices. See the circle. Is the circle having the vertices? Any corner point is there in circle? No. So the correct answer is no. A square and a rectangle has dash vertices. So in square and rectangle, how many vertices are there? Yes, that is 4. Very short answer question. Question number 10. What is the unique feature of a square? Now here we have the square. Tell me, what is the unique feature in that? If you observe that in square all sides are equal. So this is the very unique feature about the square. So it has 4 equal sides. Now how many vertices does a triangle have? Here you can see the triangle. How many vertices are there? Let us count. 1, 2 and 3. So triangle having the 3 vertices. How many diagonals does a circle have? In circle, is any diagonals are meet? Is any diagonals are there? See the shape carefully. No. So there is no diagonals. It means there is 0 in there is a 0 diagonal in circle. Now let us move to another question. Short answer question. 13. Complete the following table. Here a shape is given. We have to write the vertices and diagonals. A shape having the name, that is rectangle PQRS. So we have to write the vertices and diagonals. Let us see the vertices first. Here you can see the corner points are the vertices. So what are the corner points? Point P, point Q, point R and point S. So our vertices is PQRS. Now diagonals. Here you can see P is meets to R and Q is meets to S. So our diagonal is PR and QS. Now move to the question number 14. Complete the following table. Students, we have to write again vertices and diagonals. As we solved the previous question, it is same like that. Here the shape is given in the kite. The shape is a kite. So let us see the vertices. Point A, point B, point C and point D. So this is the vertices. Now diagonal. A is joined to C and B is joined to D. So the diagonals are AC and BD. Have you understood these questions? Now move to another question. Long answer question. Question number 15. Look at the figure and answer the following question. here figure are given and here we have to answer that question using this figure. Now how many vertices does it have? Name them. As we know, the corner points are the vertices. So in this figure, what are the vertices? Yes, point A, point B, point C and point D. So how many vertices are there? 4 vertices. Here see the question properly. In this question 2 things are asked. That is how many vertices? How many are? 4. Name them. That is A, B, C and D. So the answer is it has 4 vertices A, B, C and D. Now see the B. Name the diagonal from the A. We have to only name one diagonal, that is from the A. So from the A, if we draw a diagonal, we find the C. A is joined to C. So the answer is the diagonal from A is AC. Now see the question number 16. Draw a square WXYZ and answer the following question. Students, in that we have to draw a square and give the name WXYZ. So let us draw the first square. Here you can see. Now we have to answer the following question. Name the vertices. So student, tell me fast, what are the vertices? Yes, very good. That is W, X, Y, Z. Name the diagonals. What are the diagonals in this square? Yes, WY and XZ. See here, the vertices are WXYZ and the diagonals are WY and XZ. Now student, have you understood or not? Very good. Application part. In that, short answer question. 17. Complete the following table. Now student, in that we have to write the number of vertices. In the previous question, whatever we solved, in that we naming the vertices. Now we have to write the number. Here object is given. Now tell me, this rupee is look like in which shape? Very good. That is in rectangle shape. That is in rectangle shape. So in rectangle, how many vertices are there? 4. Very good. And diagonals? 2. This object is in square shape. So in square, how many vertices are there? Yes, 4. And diagonals? 2. Clear, students? Now move to another question. Complete the following table. Here you can see again 2 objects are given. We have to write the number of vertices and number of diagonals. Let us see the first object. Here, how many vertices are there in this object? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, number of vertices are 5. Now, number of diagonals. Let us consider this shape. Okay, now we have to draw the diagonal. Here I am doing the rough work so that you will understand how many diagonals in this shape. Now see students, here this is the vertex, it is joined to another vertex. So it is one diagonal. Now it is the second diagonal, third diagonal, fourth and fifth. So in this shape there is a 5 diagonals. Clear, student? Now see the next. The kite shape, number of vertices are 4 and diagonals 1, 2. So number of diagonals are 2. Now move to the next question. Long answer question. Look at question number 19. Look at the picture given and answer the following question. Here picture is given to you. Now tell me, which picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of blackboard. Now see the 19A part. What is the shape of this object? Now student, tell me, which shape look like this? Yes, very good. It is a rectangle. Now in rectangle, okay. Now B part, how many sides does it have? In rectangle, how many sides are there? Very good. It has 4 sides. How many diagonals does it have? Yes, 2. How many vertices does it have? Very good. It is 4. Question number 20. What is the shape of the given picture? Find the number of sides, diagonals and vertices. Here object is given. You have to find out the sides, diagonal and vertices. First you have to recognize which shape is this. The shape is, yes, the shape is triangle. Now in triangle, how many sides are there? Yes, it is 3 sides. In triangle, how many diagonals are there? Yes, in triangle there is a 0 diagonal. How many vertices? Very good, it is 3 vertices. Short answer question, that is question number 21. Name a 3-dimensional figure that has the following. A circular base. B, a rectangular base. Students, you have to think the 3-dimensional figure having the circular base. Now let us see. A cone. A cone is having the circular base. Now cylinder. Cylinder is also having the circular base. So the circular bases are cone and cylinder. Now think a 3D object having the rectangular base. Yes, it is nothing but a cuboid. Cuboid having the rectangular base. So for B it is the cuboid. Now move long answer question, that is question number 22. Look at the figure and answer the following question. Here a shape is given. You have to answer this following question. So see the first one. What is the shape? Now look at this shape. What do you think about this shape is? It is a, very good, it is a cuboid. Now name the vertices. Okay, in this shape the corner points are the vertices. So let us see the vertices. Point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, point F, point G, and point H. So these are the vertices of given shape. Now name the edges. Edges means the lines. Okay, these lines are the edges. So let us see AB, BC, CD, DA, DG, GF, FC, FE, BE, AH, HE, GH. So here name of the vertices. Now in cuboid there is a 12 vertices. So whenever we are naming, we have to carefully to write. Now name the faces. Faces means the plane surface of this 3D. That is A, B, C, D. It is the one face, one box small. Now D, G, F, C. Another face G, F, H, E. Third face D, G, H, A. Fourth face B, B, C, F, E. Fifth face A, H, E, B. Sixth face. Here the faces are. So students, these are the workbook questions. You have to note down this. You have to note down these answers with a proper question number.